Welcome to my channel. My name is Sara, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own Happy Planner inserts using just a word processor. I'm using my own inserts because this year Happy Planner did not release a neutral layout. I like it white or gray only. So until the next release, when I think or I hope they will release a neutral one, I'm going to make my own pages. Previously, I made my own inserts for a different reason. I make this kind of inserts because I felt that I didn't need much space, but now that I'm using a vertical layout, I wanted to buy a new planner, but as I said, Happy Planner did not have a neutral one. So I'm going to show you how to make a vertical insert, because vertical layouts is the most popular Happy Planner layout, but you can apply the same concept to any layout you want to make or you want to create your own. So let's go to work. The first thing you need to do is cut pages Happy Planner size. The classic Happy Planner is 9.25 inches tall and 7 inches wide. So you just need to cut your pages, which is what I'm doing here. And if you're using Max word processor, which is pages, you have to take a previous step, which is opening any program you have in your computer and create a new page with the Happy Planner size. In this case, I already created, I already had a Happy Planner size page. So I'm going to show you here in my Silhouette Studio program how I make a new page size, a custom page size. So I'm calling it Semana de Papel, which is this channel's name. So you create a page which is 7 inches wide and 9.25 inches tall, and you save it, so you can use it in Pages later, because Pages doesn't let you do this. So let's open Pages and create a new document, a blank document. It's the same process with Word or with any other word processor. You have to know your word processor, and then you select the Happy Planner page. In Word, you can create into Word a custom size page, which is Happy Planner size. And now I'm here showing you how to format this page. These are the margins you have to select. It's 0.25 or a quarter inch and 0.7 for the inside. You have to choose mirror margins or facing pages, whatever option your word processor gives you. And then you have to create a table. You have to leave the first page blank, so you can have facing pages left for Monday to Wednesday and right for Thursday to Sunday. Then you have to create a table, or take care that the table has 5 rows and 3 columns for the Monday Wednesday side. Each column has to be 1.5 inches wide and 2.5 inches tall. We will adjust the 2 top rows later. But now it's better to insert a page break, especially in pages, because it will show you the margins when you move your table. You will see that the yellow lines will show you when it is aligned with the margins, and then you can start selecting the lines, the kind of line you want, color, um, white. So you can replicate the white lines in the Happy Planner layout, as you see. I'm using it in gray here because I like neutral, but you can make it as colorful as you want. So you select, every word processor has a different way to select the colors and the width of the lines. So I'm showing it here for pages, but you have to check it with your own word processor, and then you start putting the names, the days of the week, and you can then change the height of the two top rows, and also you can choose the font you want and the alignment you want. I'm putting I'm choosing here to center them, but you can do whatever you want. That's the good part of this. And for example, I like numbers have to have 2 digits. So if it is the first, I put 01, 02 for the second, and so on. But you can use it however you want it. I aligned the numbers to the bottom because I want them to be closer to the days words, but you can do it however you want. When to adjust the height of the rows, you have to be careful to reposition your table so it will be aligned with the margins of the page. But that's easy. I mean, maybe you will forget it the first time, but then you will get used to it. I don't know if Word or other word processors adjust it automatically. I prefer to have my tables not aligned with anything, so I can put them wherever I want, because my experience with, especially working with Word, is that aligning the tables with the text or with the margins does funny things with the table. You have to try and see what works best for you with your specific word processor. So now you just copy the table and move it to the next page, and you have to add another column, of course, and adjust the width of the columns to 1.5. But this way is much easier because you already have all the line, color, etc. already done. So now you just change the name of the days, and of course the date. I have more than once forgotten that part, so double check it before printing, or run a test print with copy paper, because I personally don't use copy paper. I use a much thicker paper, and usually as again I insert a page break, because probably you will be creating an insert not for just 1 week, but maybe for a month, a complete month. I personally work this way. I make the insert, and the next step should be printing, but Pages doesn't give me the chance to select Happy Planner size. So if you're working with Word or another processor, you can go ahead and print. I have to export this file to a PDF, and you see, I will save it as PDF. I will put it, I will name it Happy Planner Insert Demo. You can put whatever name. My names are usually February, March, I mean the name of the month I'm creating. And now I go to PDF, where I'm, oh, okay, I will save it first, because usually I reuse the previous month insert, just change the dates, and I have to change the monthly layout. The monthly layout, the way to do it's just the same, just smaller cells in the table. It's the same method to create it. And now I'm going to open my PDF and change the view so you can see the 2 pages we created face to face. You see there's the inner margin that is wide enough to punch it later. I usually print it. Well, you have to first select this right size, Happy Planner size in my case, and then I select actual size portrait, and when I'm printing many pages, I select to print the odd pages and then the even pages. But if you are unsure about how to print it, just print 1 page at a time, especially if you're just printing 1 month. It won't take too long. At first you can do it 1 page at a time, and you send it to print, and I will show you how these pages look. You see, you have your insert, and you can add washi tape if you want. It's not, of course, you can leave it just like that, but in my case, I like to add washi tape. So it will look like it has a printed margin, inner margin. It's really easy, and if you're using real washi tape, it's very thin, and it won't make your pages bulky, your planner bulky. And now you just have to punch the pages in, and you just have to put them in your planner. It's ready. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye!